Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to get data of any stock using Google Finance. To fetch the data, we should know about one very useful concept, that is ticker. A ticker is basically a symbol to identify a stock. For example, SBI has its ticker as SBIN, which we will see in the video. The formula starts with typing equal to Google Finance. Then, in the brackets, inverted commas. Then the stock exchange name. We will type NSE. Then, colon, after this the ticker of SBI, that is SBIN. We close the inverted comma and then a comma. Now we will type the attribute of the stock. In this case we want to know the prices. It can also be low, high, beta and so on. So we type price in inverted commas. Now we add the start date. For this, date function is used. In the date function, type date, bracket, then year, month, and date. We have chosen 1st January 2024 as starting date. Now press comma. Then end date, same way as start date, first, year, then month, then day. We will get data from 1st January 2024 to 1st March 2024. After this, add a comma and then we can choose either daily or weekly data. Monthly data is not supported for some reason. Now we hit enter and the data is here. I will attach the link to a Google Sheet where you can see the tickers and also the available attributes that you can get from this function. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video.